Yeah man, the Lucien good farm. You kidding. 2022. Nice. Remember to like, subscribe and share, you know. Enough love to all the subscribers them. They're out here seeing me I do it, you know. Yeah man. Love your support all go on, you know. Just keep subscribing. Big up all the viewers them. One love. Yeah man. Lucien good from at it, you know. It's been rough in the rainy season, but you don't know. I just keep on doing it. Long time I do a flag. But you don't know we out here. We out here, you know. Yeah man, enough love for all the subscribers them, you know. Big up on yourself. All the comments them. Like the comments them, you know. You don't know I grow where I grow. So one love for all the support. You know, keep supporting, you know. If you haven't been subscribed, just go and touch the subscribe button, you know, see me? Yeah. Lucien good farm, one love. Get a nice kid here. Mommy, you do well. Wow. Nice buck. Nice buckling. Yeah man. Just come back from grazing. But I could see she was in labor. So I kinda cut the grazing short and come up with her, you know. So she come nothing 5 minutes after. You see it? Yeah man. One love, is it?